Hello and welcome to another purveyor of Lightroom quick tip. Today we've got a really quick one, but it's a real handy one that a lot of people don't know about. And that is AI focused auto adjustment. Okay, so let me just explain what I'm talking about to you. So I'm just going to take a photo. We'll take this baseball here, highlight that and go into the develop module. Now we're all familiar with just going into the tone area and then hitting auto, and the photo is automatically thrown into Adobe's AI, and then they automatically analyze the photo, and then they do the appropriate adjustments. And you'll notice they do everything from highlights to shadows to white balance and so forth. So that's great, and it works very, very well. But what if you have 100 photos that you want to do this to? You know, you don't want to turn around and have to open up each photo, then hit auto, open up the next photo, hit auto, and so forth. Now, a lot of people would say, well, we could use Synchronize, but Synchronize does not have the AI feature to auto develop an image. It's not there. Okay? So that's the first thing about it. But they do have the ability to do multiple images. Okay? It's just hidden. So I'm going to run you through how to do the hidden feature. So I'm going to reset this photo. Okay, going to go back into the library, and I pretend that I just got done shooting this baseball game, and I want to sync, maybe hundreds of photos, auto adjust them using Adobe's AI auto adjust. Could you imagine having to click on each one and an auto and hidden? It'd be really time consuming. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this, and then we're going to activate a hidden batch feature. So I'm going to show you what that is. So I'm going to select the photos that I want to have affected. So for demonstrations, I'm going to select the first baseball, hold the shift key, and I'm going to highlight these three. Pretend that I'm highlighting 100, okay? All right, you'll notice that when I did that, the sync button lights up, and a little switch button appears. Okay. Now I'm going to do this again, okay, by deselecting an image. Now you see, I'm going to go into this image here, and you see, if I go into develop, I don't have it, okay? But if I have the auto feature, I still don't have anything, right? All right. It's only when we have multiple images activated. So here's the trick. Select the first image that you want, then shift click and select the other ones that you want. Okay, now go into develop module, and you'll see the sync button, and you'll also see this tiny little switch down here. Okay, this little switch, when you turn that on, it enables batch auto syncing. So we're going to select that, and it turns out just toggles it up to auto sync. So whatever I do here is going to auto sync with the other photos that we have. Now, it's not the same as Synchronize. Okay? This is actually going to auto AI synchronize the photos. In other words, Adobe's going to analyze each and every individual image that we highlighted and automatically do the appropriate adjustment. Okay? So it's not a batch sync like you're used to, right? It's a auto AI batch sync. So everything is going to be weighted individually on each photo. So I'm going to hit auto. Now, if you look down here on the thumbnail thing down at the bottom, the three images I have selected, okay, you'll see when I hit auto here on this one image, it's going to activate to all three. And you saw all three images that are changed. Now you could see that this is 93 plus 5, etc. Right now, if I go to this image, you see it's 34 and 6 and so forth. And if I go to the next image, okay, each one is different. Okay, see, this is negative 52 plus 5. This is 34, right? So that's what I'm trying to explain I'm not doing a very good job of explaining it, but basically each image is auto AI processed based on the individual image, versus synchronization is only synchronizing every image to the same setting. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense to your eyes. But basically, now you could do 200,000 images, and Adobe will automatically evaluate each and every one of them and do an auto AI auto adjustment on each and every image. And you only have to click once. So again, it's a simple thing, but it is hidden and cumbersome the way Adobe has it. But look for it. Okay, so when you select multiple images, okay, then you'll see this little toggle box come in, and you could turn it on, you could turn it off. But once it's activated, now once you hit auto in the tone area, automatically all the images you have highlighted are now going to be individually processed. Real time saver, real nice thing to do. So I suggest if you do a lot of batch processing and you have hundreds of images from a shoot, this will really save you some time. All right, guys, till next week, you guys take care.